Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. Today we will see limit state method in RCD. So depending on the amount of steel provided, the sections are classified into two categories. The first category is under reinforced section. So this is U oblique R. You can understand under reinforced. Section beam. So in this condition, generally XU max is greater than XU. So let's draw a figure. So this distance is known as XU, and this distance is known as XU max. So generally in this reinforced section, the amount of steel provided is less than what is required. So this condition generally known as under reinforced section. So whenever XU is less than XU max, you can see this distance is greater than this XU. So whenever this condition we get, we can conclude that the resistance will be governed by the steel. So whenever we get this condition, we can calculate the moment of resistance by this formula. So what's the formula? The formula is 0.87 Fy into AST into small d minus 0.42 XU. So whenever you get this condition, you can apply this formula to find out the moment of resistance. Now the second condition is over reinforced section. These two conditions are same as we saw in a working stress method. Just we change the notation and the formula. There is change in formula, but common in this and working stress method is that the name is common in both the cases. So in this condition we get XU small. This distance is XU. And this is XU max. So generally in this question, XU is greater than XU max. So this value you can get after the calculating XU and XU max. So in this condition we can find the moment of resistance by this formula, that is 0.36 FCK into B into XU max bracket close into I write down in below this in into, that is d minus 0.42 xu max. And you can note it down. And I want to share one thing with you, that is whenever we use this both the formulas, we get confused in these values, whether it is, whenever we get over-enforced, so it is xu max or xu. So remember one thing, whenever your value is less, then we put xu. So here xu is small than xu max, so we put here xu. And here xu max value is less than xu, so xu max we put here. So by this simple trick you can remember this formula. Thank you.